Hello, I'm Dhiman Bhuya, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, Girijananda Chowdhury University. The Department of Mechanical Engineering, GCU, is one of the oldest mechanical engineering departments in the region, and it offers a wide range of programs, including a bachelor's, a master's, and PhD degrees, with the bachelor's degree program being accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. The department focuses on holistic education, combining theoretical knowledge with practical skills essential for a successful engineering career. The department offers a comprehensive curriculum including fundamental courses and specialized electives in compliance with the National Education Policy 2020, making the programs very industry relevant, with a distinctive research-driven background with highly experienced faculty members who are subject matter experts in their own respective fields. The department features state-of-the-art laboratories including 3D printing, 3D scanning, advanced manufacturing. The students are also exposed to industry requirements through internships, workshops, seminars, and interaction with industry personnel. Graduates of the various programs offered by the Department of Mechanical Engineering have the option of going into private sector industry, public sector undertakings, other public sector jobs, or even becoming entrepreneurs and job providers themselves. For more details, please visit the GCU website and do visit the Department of Mechanical Engineering, GCU. Thank you.